So this next video is going to show you how to set up a home phone number with a drop-down menu. Now, to quickly explain why I'm going to change the field size first, a home phone number in New South Wales looks like this: 02 in brackets. The brackets actually infer here that the 02 is not mandatory. And then a phone number will be something like 0000 0000. So it's the area code in brackets because it's not mandatory, and then four numbers, and then four numbers. But you also notice that there are spaces between them. Right? That is a character in my phone number field, and that is a character in my phone number field. So the total number of characters is 4, 5 for the space, plus 4 is 9, plus 1 more for the space is 10, plus 4 characters for the area code, that's open bracket, 02, close bracket. So it's a total of 4, 8, 12, 13, 14 characters long. Right? And it's really important when I do my field size that it's 14 characters long, at least. I'm going to make it exactly 14 because that then just works. Now you see here I have an input mask. So if I drag that across, I can must save table first. Yes. Okay. My list does actually have a phone number in it that will work, that one, but I'm going to edit the list and I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it Australian Home Phone. Now my input mask, oh goodness gracious, I can't type today. Now my input mask, notice that I've started the right hand side of the input mask and highlighted all the way across. The reason I'm starting it all the way at the right hand side is because they're characters as well. I don't know why. Right, so open brackets, backslash there, 0, means that that character is always going to be there. Oops. Okay, so look at this slash here. That character right there, that slash is saying that value will always be there. That value will always be there. So actually I don't have to type it, which is kind of cool. So when I go to do my sample data, open brackets, and you'll see that all I did there was press open bracket. I didn't actually do anything else, which meant that the 0 is inferred, and so it's typed for me, which is great. The reason why I'm not doing /0/2 is because I have friends that live outside New South Wales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. I don't think that phone number will call. Please don't call it, because I think that will call emergency services. And we're done. I'm happy with that. So close. And that works. Now, just to make sure I've got this, I can try it. Again, notice that I'm going to click over here. And you'll see that as I click in, that 0 is already there. So as I type 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that works for me. Next. Try it. I've already done all that. Excellent. Next. Do I want to store with values? Yes, I do. The reason for that is because this is not going to be used to dial phone numbers, but if it was, then maybe you wouldn't put the brackets in there. But I think most database tools and dialing tools these days are smart enough to deal with the brackets as well. Next, and finish. Okay, that's easy. So I'm going to show that one quickly again now on the mobile phone. A mobile phone field, a mobile phone number is again 4 plus 3 plus 3 is 7, 10 characters long, but again I'm going to make the field size 12 because I've got the spaces there. And once again, for the mobile phone, I'm going to go to my input mask. I'm going to save the table, yes. Edit my list. This time around, I'm going to create a new record, a new blank record, so I get to define everything about this. I'm going to call it Australian Mobile Phone. I don't want to use that Australian Home Phone one that I've just made or edited because I'm using that in my database. So I'm actually creating a new record here. My input mask. Now, every Australian mobile phone starts 04. So therefore, again, /0/4 means they're always going to be there. 00, 000, 000. That's the Australian standard for mobile phones. And again, I'm going to put a hash for my placeholder. Sample data, and you'll see when I click into sample data, it's already sitting there. 00, 000, 000. Done. Excellent. So close that. And where's it gone? There it is right there. So again, I can try it if I want. Click in. Yay, that works. Next. Done. Happy with that. Again, with the symbols in the mask like so. Save and finish. All right. So that's got the mobile phone sorted so that it is going to be an input mask. And you'll see down here now what my input mask looks like, which is good. So we'll leave that running as it is. And we're done. So that I think means that I've got everything I really wanted to do in my table before I start to create a data entry form. So next up, we're going to create a data entry form.